Hello and welcome back to my channel for part 2 video for Christmas Angel series. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful and simple Christmas Angel Easel Card using a beautiful cut and emboss folder from Nativity set called Christmas Angel, and it comes from Crafter's Companion. As you can see, you can die cut the angel and emboss the panel at the same time. And I'm also going to use this beautiful edgeable die called 3 Kings. And these dies come from Nativity Nature's Garden collection by Crafter's Companion. First, we're going to need 3 panels. I've got 2 panels measuring 12.5 by 17.5 centimeters, and I've got 1 panel measuring 12.5 by 19 centimeters, and I'm going to score it at 17.5 centimeters to give me top folding card. As you can see, super quick and easy, and you can create a card of any shape or dimension you want. Now I'm going to put one of the panels on top to give me that card base for my project, and then we've got that beautiful base for top folding cards, and later on we're going to score it for easel element. Now I use Outremer card for back panel, and I cut and emboss that beautiful Christmas angel, and to give it more interest I'm going to use beautiful aqua markers by Noir from Tricolor collection, and they're called Warm Fairy and Warm Primary. However, you can use anything you want to decorate your angel. You can use zig markers, alcohol markers, or even pencils, whatever is in your stash, and I really encourage you to have a look at your stash and use whatever you want and literally experiment with different color combinations. Actually, you can use some metallic pens as well if you have them. That would be perfect too for this project. And when we are ready with our beautiful angel and that star, you can also use a wet paintbrush to spread the color around if you want. However, this time I decided a little bit against it. However, on the wing I put a little bit of yellow, so I'm using that wet paintbrush and a tissue to lift that color off. Super quick and easy, and no one will ever know you made that mistake. To add more color to the background, I'm using these dye inks, and all the names of the products I use will be in the description down below, so you can check them out if you want. I wonder if you have ever created a Christmas easel card. If you have, what scene or element did you use to decorate it? I'm really curious because that is actually my first easel Christmas card, and I really wanted to experiment with that cut and emboss folder from Nativity collection because I wanted to create something special. And I wonder if you have ever created an easel card. What did you do with it? Please let me know. Now, as you can see, I created that beautiful background with ink blending tools and a few inks from my stash, and using that edgeable die 3 Kings, I'm going to create that small element that will go in the bottom right corner. And this way you can use your edgeables to decorate literally any single side of your card. That's what's so special about those edgeable dies. Have you ever used edgeable dies in your card making? How did you use them? Please let me know in the comments down below. In the top right corner you can also check my other video where I created Christmas scene cards with nesting dies, and I use them for 3 different techniques. So try it, and I'm pretty sure you will really like what you can create with nesting dies. As you can see here, I'm using aqua markers to add a little bit of color of that small nativity scene, and here again you can use anything from your stash. And to move the color around and to blend some of the elements together, I'm using that wet paintbrush to spread the color. Super quick and easy, and that's what's absolutely unique about these cutting dies. You can actually put those elements together in different combinations, and that's why this week I've got 3 parts of this series because I'm using the same cut and emboss folder, and edgeable to create 3 totally different cards. Have you ever done that with your stash? Did you try to use different techniques using the same elements? Please let me know in the comments down below. And now when our element is ready, we can move on for the next step. And now we have to add a little bit of sparkle to our background, and I'm using this beautiful metallic gilding polish from Cosmic Shimmer called Hey Bale. If you have never ever used metallic gilding polish or anything to add sparkle, I really encourage you to do it. As you can see, I only have one in my stash. However, I use it so often that it was worth having it. I wonder if you add sparkle to your papercraft projects using some gilding polish. If you do, what colors did you use? Okay, so now going back to our angel, I really encourage you to clean your surface straight away, because we don't want that gilding polish to go on your projects where you don't want that piece. Okay, and now when I put my modern layers together, I've got double-sided tape on the back, and I'm going to use my one and only liquid glue, magic glue, to put all those pieces together. As you can see, super quick and simple, and with that gold mirror card, that angel really pops out, and I absolutely love how it turned out. Now to attach my nativity scene, I'm putting my, again, one and only liquid glue, and I'm going to attach it to my panel. So as you can see, this card is extremely quick and simple, and in real life it's so beautiful. To add the sentiment, I had a look at my stash and I decided to use the sentiment in Polish because that card will be given to a member of my family. And I die cut it from the same gold mirror card as I use for back panel behind my angel, and that way every single thing matches beautifully on my card. Now we have to use a scoreboard and create that cone line for easel card, and here you can actually decide where you want that cone line to be, because then you can put that easel card to the front or to the back. It depends how much do you want it to stand out. And to create any easel card, we always need a stopper. And I'm going to show you how to create it in a few seconds. And when you attach that front panel to your card base, make sure you only put liquid glue on the bottom part. To add more sparkle to my card, I'm going to use that clear overlay by Spectrum Noir. As you know me, I absolutely love it, and it adds so much sparkle. Unfortunately, the camera doesn't catch it, but in real life it's just so beautiful. If you have never ever tried it, I really encourage you to do it because it's so pretty. And our angel is nearly done, and the whole card just comes together so quickly. So I wonder if you have ever created a Christmas card with either a nativity scene or an angel. And I use the same Christmas angel cut and emboss folder, and I use that emboss panel, and I'm going to create a stopper with it. And this time I'm using 2 AQUA markers from Spectrum Noir for a stopper called Cool Primary and Warm Primary. And again, as I said before, all the names of the products I use will be in the description down below, so you can check them out. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It would be great if you can hit that notification bell to be notified about every single video I put on my channel. Tomorrow there will be another card with this cut and emboss folder at the same time, which is 5:45, so stay tuned for that. To add more interest to my stopper, I'm going to use exactly the same metallic gilding polish by Cosmic Shimmer, and to give it more dimension, I'm going to use double-sided foam adhesive. It is a really good trick for any easel cards. Trust me, it is worth it, because that way our easel card will stay and won't move. And to add even more interest to my card, I'm going to add a few gems for more interest. As you know me, I absolutely love small gold gems, so I try to put them nearly everywhere. Do you have something that you put on every single card? Please let me know in the comments down below. On the left, you can also check my other card, Nativity ornament I created, and on the right you can check my snowman mark card. I hope you feel inspired to create something similar, and have a fabulous day and happy crafting. See you tomorrow!